This is one of my favorite core exercises. I do this one myself every week. I've gotten up to doing 200 reps, which is a little crazy. I break it up into batches of 50 or so, but you'll really feel this one, I think. You don't have to do 200 reps to feel it, anyway, you can do it with or without dumbbells in your hands. If you have them, these are 5 pounds. I wouldn't go too much heavier than that. Five is sufficient. This is called the reverse tabletop with extension. Kind of a weird name, but just so you know what the name of it is when you're doing your exercise. So you're going to start in this position, stretched out, dumbbells kind of behind your head. You're crunching up, bringing the dumbbells to your sides as you lift your head up and bring your legs in. And you're extending your legs, extending your the dumbbells behind you. So it's crunching in and out, in, out. You can tap the dumbbells down behind you. And again, the more you squeeze those abs as you're doing the crunch, the more benefit you're going to get from this exercise. If it bothers your lower back as you're doing the exercise, don't have your feet quite as low to the ground. So in other words, you'd be like this more so than that. But if it doesn't bother your back, you want to get your feet as close to the ground without touching as you can. So that's the reverse tabletop with extension.